You see, this bottle is empty now, and we go and fill up it now with drinking water. Huh? Follow me. So we come now here to this drinking water fill up place, and let's have a look how we do that. We have a bottle here. You can fill up 6 liter. Okay. You see, 2 baht. So, and here we start. I think the water quality is very good, and you can fill up a bottle like that, almost 6 liter for 2 baht. We tried other machines, you have to pay 7 baht. Okay, still cheap, 7 baht, 6 liter, but when you can get it for 2 baht, yeah, I think that's a great deal. And again, the water is good. And you know, water you have to drink a lot. Every day you should drink 2 to 3 liter. Look, it's 10. Open, yeah, it's open already. And the bottle, yeah, let's say it's full. That was it.